So we are having it's like a late lunch, early dinner. Kind of be quiet because someone's after work. Thanks for joining me. We're having, I guess, like an late lunch, early dinner, snack, maybe. I kind of have to be quiet a little because, but we have just pizza and garlic sauce, hands down. In one of my cups, we have root beer. Yeah. So go grab a snack and we'll just eat. And I have my computer up just watching things, YouTube, stuff like that. This is actually hitting a spot. I was really hungry, so I think all I had today was the Starbucks fail and rice. I had rice, like the white rice. I love white rice. So this is really, I needed this. My posture is so bad. It's something I'm trying to work on. I'm like this. When I hunch up. Gravity. This. It's the sweetest thing. It's a movie. If you know, you know, you know. Thin crust. Sorry. I just love doing this. It's so fun. You see it? crust person whatsoever. I wouldn't very likely ever eat my crust. Any kind of crust, I'm just like not about it. Or like Pop-Tarts, I'll eat the crust first and then I'll enjoy the insides. It's weird. This pizza is actually just a Little Caesars pizza. Little Caesars is bomb as fuck. I love it. And plus Costco. So Costco, $10 for all that pizza, and it's that fucking good. I usually get Costco pizza, but I called and tried to order one, and they said they only take orders 5 or more now. Is that true, Costco? Is that true? Someone here? Huh? Someone else? I said, did someone knock? Quiet. 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 Okay. These are these filters. Quiet. Oh, yes, sir. Miles, no. Perfect. Thank you, just appreciate it.
Hey, of course. Have a good one.
You too. Came to replace the filters. Thanks for having me.